Digital products are my favorite way of making money online because they are super passive and you only have to create them one time. And for the lifetime, whenever someone will purchase them, you will get the money. Like in simple words, you only have to put the effort once, and once you create that product, then you can sell the same product unlimited time to multiple people to get money. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create and upload a digital product with Systeme.io for free that can actually deliver automatically when someone purchases it and when someone give you money. So basically, in short, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a funnel in which anyone from your link can actually land on your landing page. They can know about your product, they can purchase that product by filling out the form and giving you money, and as soon as they place the order, they will get the access of that digital product automatically and you don't have to do anything. Like no matter if you are sleeping and someone is present on your landing page, so all the work will be done by Systeme.io for free and your sales funnel will do everything for you. Like it will take payment for you, it will give your product to your buyer, they will get the access, they will start using that, and all of that work will be done automatically while you're sleeping or doing something else. Interesting? So watch this video completely step by step without skipping any part, so you can also learn it and implement it to start making a lot of money online. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Systeme.io. So basically, if you want to open that page, you just have to go on the description of this video, click on the link and land on this page. So basically, if you go from my link, you'll get the access of this powerful tool for free for the lifetime. You can see that the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform and free forever and no credit card required. So when you land on this page and put your email here and click on get my free account, so you will get your free account and you will land on your dashboard. And your dashboard will look something like this if your account is new, right? So from this dashboard, you can actually do many things which you can't imagine for free. Like in my opinion, this tool is the most powerful tool for online marketers and for anyone who want to build online business, scale that business and earn a lot of money, right? So if you check out the features from the top, you can see that you can do multiple things from here. Like here's a dashboard, here's a marketplace, here are contacts, and you can explore the other feature by yourself, right? But the most popular feature these tools offer you are you can actually create your blog for free, you can create your website, you can sell your course, you can collect people's email, you can create email marketing campaign for free, and the most important thing is you can actually create your own affiliate marketing system from this tool. Like someone else will promote your product and you'll get the money. So if you want me to create the whole detailed video on how to create and sell courses and how to create your own affiliate marketing system, then make sure to comment your request under this video. If I get 50 comments under this video, then I will create a whole detailed video step by step on how to create your own affiliate marketing system so someone else will promote your product and you'll get the passive income while you're sleeping, right? But for now, in this video, let's start creating a funnel that will automatically sell your digital product to your buyer, so you'll get the money and they will get the product automatically. So the first step is to create a funnel. So from this top bar, if you go on website, you can see three options here: blog, sales funnel and digital store. So if you click on sales funnel, so here you can see that this is the page where you can create your funnel. So right now, as this account is new, there are no funnels here. So from the top right corner, if I click on create, so you can see that from this page, I can create my own funnel. So in order to create your funnel, all you have to do is you have to give your funnel a name. So let's just type any name, digital product funnel, right? So after giving the name, you have to select your domain, select your currency, and then select the goal. Like what is the goal of this funnel? So here you can see multiple options here. So right now in this video, we want to sell our digital product. So our goal is to sell a product here. So when I select my goal, I can see this button save here. So when I click on save, so you can see that by just one click, my funnel has been created. So right now this funnel is blank. So now the next step is to import a good looking template to this funnel and edit that funnel so we can give that funnel to any audience, any customer, so they can purchase our product from that funnel, right? So to edit that funnel, all you have to do is click on the funnel name, and then you can see that on the right side, there are multiple templates, free templates Systeme.io is offering you. If you scroll down, so you can check out those templates one by one. You can actually click on preview template to check, or you can click on select to import that template to your funnel, right? But before importing any template, I want to add another thing here, because on the left side you can see that these are the steps for our funnel. So basically right now in this funnel, there are only two steps. Number one, order form, and number two, thank you page. So basically in this order form, people can actually place the order. Like they will put their card information or PayPal information and make a purchase and give you money. And as soon as they give the money, they will proceed to thank you page. But in actual, if you make a funnel of 2 steps, so that will not convert very well. So if you create a sales page, so to make your funnel more convertible, you need to add another page here, which is a sales page. So if you make your funnel a 3-step funnel, number 1 sales page, number 2 order form, and number 3 thank you form. So then your funnel will look more professional and you will be able to get more sales, right? So in order to add a new step, you have to scroll down and here click on add step. And from there, you can give your step a name like sales page, and then you can choose a type, like what type of step you want this, right? So if I click on drop down menu, so here you can see that I can find multiple options like opt-in page, squeeze page, online form, and if I scroll down, so I can see sales page here. So I just have to click on sales page and then click on save. So here you can see that on the left side, a new page has been added, but it is on last. So let's move it on top, 1, 2. So here you can see that our whole funnel is completed. Number 1 is sales page, and when someone will be on a sales page, they will know about our product, then they will click on make a purchase, then they will move on to the next page, which is order form, and here they will make a payment, and then they will redirect to thank you page, right? So now one by one in all of these 3 pages, you have to import a template and you have to edit a template as per your requirement, right? So if I click on sales page, so here you can see that I can find multiple free templates here. So now it's up to you what template you choose. So for this video, I can choose this one because this is my favorite template. If I click on preview, so here you can see that I can preview that template. In that template, I can see some text, join now button, and information about my product. So if I go back and click on select, so that template will be selected from my funnel and I can actually edit that whole template. Like I can change text, I can completely customize the images and video and everything else, right? So here you can see that if I click on edit page, so I will be able to completely customize that funnel page as per my requirement, as per my product, right? So from here you can see that if I want to make any changes in text, in color, in button or in images, I can make from here. I can just delete any row, any block, or from the left side, I can just add any block or row. Like I can add some heading, text, column, button, checkbox, I can define their action and so on. So it's super easy. So if you're at this page, you can actually play around with this box and you can actually customize that template easily with some clicks, right? So after customizing that template as per your need, all you have to do is you have to click on save changes. So after saving the changes, that template will be customizable, and when someone will be land on your page, so they will look on that page, they will know about your product, and then they will click on join now. So as soon as they click on join now, they will land on a second page, which is order form, right? So now click on exit and go to order form and then customize that form. So whenever any person click on join now, they fill out the order form, so they will get the instant access of your digital product automatically. So let's just click on order form, and from here you can just select any template. So for example, if I select this one, so here you can see that this is a form. If I click on edit page, I can just edit that whole form. On the left side, I can change text, I can change images, and on the right side, you can see that there is a form. So whenever customer places the order, they will fill the information here, like name, email address, phone number, and then they can make a payment and click on buy now, right? So when they will click on buy now, they will opt into the thank you page and they will get the access of your digital product. So now the last step, you need to connect your digital product with that page so your funnel will know like what product it has to give to your customer when they will make a purchase on this funnel, right? So just click on save changes and exit, and then on the same order form, if you scroll down, so this is the main part of this funnel where you will define your product. So here you can see that we are having 2 options like choose offer type, like either we are selling physical product or digital product. So in this case, select this one and then it will ask you what is the product. So if I just click on add, so I can add a product here. So let's suppose if I want to sell my online course as a digital product in this funnel, so I have to give it a name like course here, and then in the resources and pricing, I need to add a course and then I need to add a pricing. So if I click on plus on the resource, so here I can select a resource which is online course here. But if you want any other product, you can just choose course bundle, tags or communities. So let's just select course, and from here I can select a course which I just created in my account as a test course. So just click on test course and then I can choose the access type, like if I want to give the full access or half access depending on the payment. So I can just click on full access. So here if I click on grant access on a specific date, so I can just give them the access after 1 day of payment. But if I close this, so they will get the instant full access as soon as they make a payment, right? So now here our resource has been completed. So if I scroll down, I have to set the price here, and as soon as I set the price, so that funnel will be completed and will be ready to work. So whenever you give your funnel link to anyone, it will be very easy for them to purchase. Like they will go through your sales page, they will click on join now, and then they will make a payment, and then they will get the instant access of your product, right? So let's just set the price, click on plus, click on one-time payment, and then here click on create a new one. So here we can actually create a price. We can name the price like course price, and a price plan name is one-time payment, and here we can also type same one time, and the price plan type is one time. But if you want to make that course as a subscription, so your buyer will have to pay every month just like Netflix, so you can just do that as well with the help of Systeme.io for free. That's why I say that it is an amazing tool, right? So let's just select one time payment, and here I have to put the actual amount, like for example $97. So if I put that amount and click on save, so here you can see that my funnel has been completed. So if I just click on save now, so everything has been done. You can see that my funnel has been completed and it is ready to use. So now after watching this video, go there, create your funnel, create your digital product, and start selling your product with Systeme.io. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.